Vladas Garastas DSAT 94 After Shopping Lithuanian Basketball. Vladas Garastas, one of the most important figures in Lithuanian basketball history, has died at the age of 94. The Lithuanian Basketball Federation announced his passing on Wednesday, June 10. Garastas was born in 1932 in Linkuva and spent most of his childhood and youth in Bezai, where his sporting path began long before his coaching career took off. He finished Bezai Gymnasium in 1952 and later enrolled at the Lithuanian Institute of Physical Education. Before becoming a legendary coach, Garastas built a broad athletic background. He played football and basketball, competed in track and field, represented Bezai at Lithuanian school Spartakiadas, and won titles in the 1000 meter run, multi-event athletics, the 4 padauginta 400 relay, and speed skating. His coaching career began in Bezai, where he worked as a physical education teacher at the local sports school from 1956 to 1958. That early period long top of that would later connect him to the biggest stages in Soviet, Lithuanian and European basketball. From 1972 to 1976, Garastas led Lithuanian schoolboy and youth national teams. During that stretch, he developed players including Saulius Patkauskas, Algirdas Linkevicius, Virginijus Jankauskas and Raimundas Valikonis, among others. Garastas later took over Žalgiris Kaunas from 1979 to 1989 and guided the club through one of the most successful eras in its history. Under his leadership, Žalgiris won 3 Soviet championships in 1985, 1986 and 1987, added 5 silver medals from 1980, 1983, 1984, 1988 and 1989, and brought home the 1986 William Jones Cup. He also coached the Soviet Union men's national team to a silver medal at the 1990 FIBA World Championship. That success came before his most lasting impact, which arrived after Lithuania regained independence. Garastas led the Lithuanian men's national team from 1992 to 1997 and helped build the first post-independence squad. That team won bronze at the 1992 Barcelona Olympics, silver at Eurobasket 1995 and another Olympic bronze at the 1996 Atlanta Games. His coaching reach extended beyond Lithuania as well. Garastas worked with Prievidzas Banikciogel in 1991 Arangėje 92, ten later led atletas Kaunas and Alytus Alita in the Lithuanian League during the latter 1990s. From 2003 to 2011, Garastas served as president of the Lithuanian Basketball Federation, continuing to influence the game long after his sidelinė career ended. His life tracked with the rise of Lithuanian basketball itself, from school sports in Bizhai to Olympic podiums and national leadership.